In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your Notes app to save new notes to either iCloud or on your iPhone by default. This is particularly handy if you find yourself frequently switching between devices or simply want better control over where your notes are stored. So let's dive right in and make your note taking even more seamless. First, you'll want to start by unlocking your iPhone and heading over to your device's home screen. Here, you're going to look for the Settings app, which should be an easily recognizable icon with grey gears on it. Give that a tap to open it up. Once you're in the settings, you're going to notice a long list of options. Scroll down through these settings until you spot the Notes app. Go ahead and tap on it. Moving on, you'll see various options related to your note settings. If you're keen on saving your notes directly to your device and not in the cloud, you'll need to toggle on the On My iPhone account. This feature is ideal for those who prefer to keep their notes stored locally on the iPhone. This way your notes won't require an internet connection for access and won't be uploaded to the internet, providing an extra layer of privacy. Next up, and this is perhaps the most crucial setting in this process, you'll want to tap on Default Account. This is where you decide the default location for saving new notes. You'll see two options pop up, iCloud and On My iPhone. If you've toggled on that local storage option and want to use it, choose On My iPhone. Conversely, if you want your notes to be accessible across all your Apple devices seamlessly and backed up with your other iCloud data, select iCloud. Making this choice depends largely on how you use notes across different devices and your personal preference regarding data storage. Once you've made your selection, you can now close out of the Settings app. Simply press the home button or swipe up if you're using a newer iPhone version without the home button. That's it, your new notes will now be saved to your chosen default location. Now each time you open the Notes app and create a new note, it will be stored either locally or on iCloud, just as you've set it. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to customize where your notes are saved. It's a small change that can go a long way in ensuring your workflow is aligned with how you prefer to manage your data. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this introduction was helpful as you optimize your iPhone's note-taking capabilities.